Hello everyone, so welcome to one more video. In this video I will talk to you, I will tell to you, I will show to you what are the powerful habits of the Sardinia residents have to live more than 100 years. So we always think that the Japanese people are the ones who live more than 100 years, but here we got other population, other civilization that are little more modern than Japanese that I talking about at the next video. These people live at the mountains of the Sardinia in Italy. uh, the first thing that they think that is the habit that make them live more is because everything is steep. They live more because they are constantly doing exercise, and most of the places have more than 2 to 4 floors. So they live in a mountain, and if they want to go to somewhere they need to walk because there are not too cool streets to flex with the cars or have a transport to move. They prefer to go with the stairs uh, and walk at the streets that are too inclined, and they need to make more power. They exercise, they do this every day, and they don't waste their time staying at home because they need to do their things and they need to go to visit each other, and that's it. One of the things is the exercise that they make every day. And then uh, I told this because the average half of the the people of the earth waste their time sitting. Can be when you're going to the school or the job. When you're at the job or the school, you are at some course, you are sitting to eat, you are sitting to take a conversation, to chat with friends, to hang out with friends. So most of the time in the modern society we spend half of our day sitting, and that's a good habit because we feel more lazy and we are too much relaxed. We are not exercising our body. So these people don't do this because they are always walking at the streets of their village every time, and their village is too inclined and they need to have too much power at their legs. So uh, with this exercise that they do, this contribute the to reduce the number of diabetes cases and other physical troubles, because when you walk you are exercising all the body. Your muscles be more, how can I say, be more exercised because you are moving. And you, when they are moving at the stairs, they are making some squats. How can I, yes, I can say that because if you step into 100 stairs per day, going up and then going down in a day, oh, it's something amazing for you because you are doing some cardio. So if you live in a modern society, you can change the elevator to the stairs to make this change in your life, and this will improve your mood, your health, and many things will be more clean at your life. So one of the things that they do is that they eat too much pastas and bread, but they are eating a different, how can I say, different proportion of carbohydrates because they make the mixture in a form that do not contribute disease that we already see here at our society. Because the thing that I saw is that they eat all these things, but they do not mix with the conventional things that we see here. I saw that they make a mix from something like a circle that they put at their meal, that is mix of cheese and flour, if I'm not making any confusion. And they think, and sorry, they told that this is amazing thing and is healthy. It is something that they eat frequently, and they every day eat a vegetable soup to improve their intestine and improve their health, because they mix proteins with carbohydrates, energy, everything is there at some food. uh, they so yes, I already told that they eat high amounts of carbohydrates, but it's prepared at a different way. Yes, that's what I told before about the mixture that they do at their meals. So they are less stressed because of their daily behaviors. They don't be stressed about traffic, about the news, about the noise of the cars, the horns, the people walking, the music of the neighbors. They don't feel too much this, because they don't have, I can say that they don't have this, because they are more relaxed civilization. um, they prefer to stay with the person and walk, and their job is at the farm. They waste too much time with animals, and men of them, the men's take naps and relax at their hip house, so they don't stay all the day trying to changing someone. They know how to command the animal, and also you know that you can use the same technique every day, but the human is different, because human has a brain, and every day the behavior can change according to their mood or something else. So they only deal with the animals, that is their source of income. They remove they get the milk of the animals, take to the town one time per day, and then they go back, and they enjoy all of the day with friends, family, and that's it. They are less stressed because of that, because they don't deal too much with people that are always in high or in a negative energy. uh, yes, they take a glass of wine. Is other thing that I noticed. They take the glass of wine at the afternoons when they are with friends to socialize. They stay there at the street. They put their chairs and they be laughing about everything, talking about the day, or yes, chatting like friends. Um, and about their health, they prefer to have a group member, a family group member, too close to take care of each other. They don't like to go to the hospitals and the nurse homes to. They think that this is one habit that increase their life expectancy, because they are acclimated with the family, and when they are feeling sick or something else, they waste their time with the loved ones, and they take care of the sick person, and they know what's the habits, what they don't like, and at the nurse house or the hospital, the doctors, they don't know more, they don't know very much about you. They only are there to give you the medicines and see if you are good, make some exams, tests, and okay, if you are not good, you can be mad, you can be bad, and you can die. But if when you are with your family, you will be sick. But if you are laughing or enjoying the day, it's more, you got high probability to feel nice soon, because you are you are not leaving the disease to generate, to, how can I say, to be more aggressive at you, because you are not isolated and you have people to talk with, tell about what you feel, how do you feel, what you think that can help you. And at the hospitals, you are not talking with anyone. The doctors are only there to make their moves. They are trying to see, how can I say, maybe 5 patients per day or in an hour. But with the family, they take care of you all of the day. So this is one of the tips and hacks that I saw that these people have to live more than thousand, sorry, to more than 100 years. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like, leave your comment here, and if you want to ask something or increase something that I didn't told you, or correct me in a thing that I told you that you think that's not correct, if you are resident of their village or you know someone from this village, you can tell me some things, because we are here everyone to learn. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.